It was stated that 40% of India's population does not engage in any kind of physical activity. All work and no play makes Jack a dull boy. Good afternoon, everyone. Topic for today's lecturate is the Fit India movement. In a recent report, it was stated that 40% of India's population does not engage in any kind of physical activity, and 10% of India's population indulges only in recreational activities. Sports has been an important part of a person's life since its childhood, as we all had curriculums that persuaded and encouraged sports in our education. However, with the increasing number of decline in public health, the Government of India came up with the initiative which was launched by Prime Minister Narendra Modi on 29th of August 2019 on the occasion of National Sports Day, which is celebrated every year to honor our great hockey player Major Dhyan Chand. This initiative was inaugurated in Indira Gandhi Indoor Stadium, New Delhi. The objective of Fit India movement is to promote fitness as fun, easy and free. It even wants people to be aware of the various benefits of including fitness in the daily regime. It aims at promoting fitness to every school in every village, district and town. It wants to make a platform which encourages people and make them aware of the various benefits of physical activities in one's routine. The Fit India movement encourages people to be more physically active and have a healthy lifestyle. In the modern era, people are more inclined towards junk food and lethargic lifestyle, which has severely affected their health, both mind and body. Hence, people are suffering from various diseases from high blood pressure to diabetes and depression. Hence, being physically fit or having a healthy lifestyle that encourages us to take part in various activities would enable one to calm their body and nerves. It is believed that sports is the greatest medicine to any disease. And in order to encourage a healthy life and have a longevity of our life, it is important for every human being to understand the importance of sports in one's life. This initiative encourages adults to take at least 30 minutes off their daily routine and include sports, and children to indulge in an hour of physical activity every day. Hence, to conclude, I would like to say that this is a great initiative which aims at encouraging people to take care of their health and contribute in building a prosperous and healthy country with fit minds. Thank you.